During the last few years, TikTok has become one of the go-to social media platforms for brands and creators alike. Some of you may know that the growth on TikTok has been fairly easy until its last few updates. Many creators have noted they are finding it hard to grow their following on a platform, mainly because of its new positioning. Nearly 40% of Gen Z members born from the year 1997 to 2012 prefers TikTok for online searches. This is according to Pew Research Center, which is also firstly reported by TechCrunch. We totally understand your frustration, and we are here to help. TikTok growth is still very much possible, and this video is a step-by-step guide on how you can optimize your videos for growth. But very quickly, what is SEO? For those who don't know, SEO means search engine optimization. Basically, everything that you need to have in order to rank higher in any search engine. And why is it important, you may ask? Well, if you're a brand or a creator and you have noticed a big drop on views, it is basically TikTok telling us to consider keyword optimization essential. It's not that the FYP doesn't work anymore or their algorithm has changed. It's just that they are facing a different positioning in the next coming years, and if you're not going to be doing that in this year or the next, you will be left behind. But the question really is, what does it take to rank your videos on TikTok? You're in for such a treat. I have 3 tips for you today, but the first one being the actual words that you say on your videos. Believe it or not, the platform is actually very smart that it generates auto-generated captions every time you say a single word, and those words will actually help you rank on videos. The second one, captions and in-app texts. There are plenty of people that are doing this the wrong way, wherein they use other social media platforms' in-app texts instead of using TikTok's native function. Whether you believe it or not, whatever you type in the in-app text function is actually being processed by the platform in the same way that it creates an auto-generated caption. This in itself can help your videos rank. Third one, and the last, is the video description. This seems very self-explanatory, but I have to remind you that the hashtags that you have to use and the word descriptions in your videos have to consist the keywords that you are trying to rank for. And good news for you, in the previous updates of TikTok, they actually increased the character limit from 300 to 2200. So that's awesome, and plenty enough space for you to write your awesome keyword. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's everything that you need to know in order to rank on TikTok. Will they succeed in becoming a search engine? Tell us what you think in the comments, and as usual, like and subscribe for the latest social media updates.